In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new app in Base44. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to the Base44 web app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, and make sure you're in the correct workspace if your organization uses more than one. Having a stable connection and a clear idea of what you're building will make the rest of the process smoother. Once you're in, you'll be asked to describe your app. This is where you give your project a clear name and a concise description. Think of the description as a quick elevator pitch: what the app does, who it's for, and the outcome you want. 1 to 2 sentences is usually enough. A thoughtful description helps teammates understand the vision and makes it easier to find your app later. If there's an option to save or continue, confirm those details before moving on. From there, head to the dashboard. The dashboard is your command center. It's where you'll see high-level information about your app, access configuration, and manage key resources like pages, data, and integrations. If you don't see the dashboard right away, look for it in the top navigation or in the left sidebar. Spend a moment getting oriented. Knowing where things live will save you time as you iterate. When you're ready to see how your work looks in action, click Preview. Preview mode lets you experience the app as a user would without making anything public yet. Interact with buttons, navigate between screens, and confirm that text, images, and layouts display as expected. This is also a great time to check responsiveness, resize your window to see how the app behaves on different screen sizes, and to verify that critical paths like sign-ups or form submissions feel smooth. If something seems off, exit the preview, make adjustments, and preview again. Once everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish to push your changes live. Base44 may ask you to confirm or provide a short summary of what's new. Keeping concise notes helps track versions over time. Before confirming, do a quick mental checklist: correct app name, accurate description, clean layout, and no placeholder content. When you publish, your app becomes available according to your project's sharing settings, so only publish when you're confident in the experience. That's it. Open Base44, describe your app clearly, use the dashboard to manage it, preview to validate the experience, and publish when you're ready. Follow this flow each time you create something new, and you'll move from idea to live app with confidence.